The Black+Decker RTX-B is ergonomical, adjustable, powerful, and superior to other similar power tools out there. Also, it's fully compatible with other rotary tool accessories that you may already own. Of course, the brand behind this best rotary tool doesn't need any introduction. It's the industry leader that has been around for long, which is to say that you won't run into quality issues. The majority of the past purchasers seem deliriously happy with this rotary tool's performance. Almost everyone said that they made the right choice by trusting this product because it met their expectations beautifully, of course, without having them to drop a lot of money. It has helped them through many projects without any fuss. Product features. As advertised by Black+Decker, the torque on this rotary tool is simply outstanding. It comes with 3 speed options. Even at the lowest speed, it works quickly with a lot of power. And, it's not as loud as you might think, despite the fact that it comes with a powerful motor. So, this thing won't be tough on your ears. In fact, the vibration is also minimal, allowing you to work with greater accuracy than usual. Not to mention that Black+Decker doesn't shy away from offering a bold warranty of 2 years on this rotary tool. Anyone with common sense would know that this says a lot about the product's craftsmanship. Also, this thing stores nicely in the accompanying carrying bag. As you can tell, Black+Decker has nailed it with this rotary tool. Pros. It operates smoothly, and it may feel much more comfortable in the hands than any other former rotary tool that you may have owned. This rotary tool won't die quickly even if it's subjected to heavy abuse. Seriously, it's very well made. Given how handy this rotary tool is, it's seriously very good. Cons. There's some room for improvement in the user manual. It's not picture perfect like what you would expect from this brand. If you like to buy or like to know more, click on the link below.